Welcome to another round. So the best so far typing was 8% preciseness. Okay, so let's see how we can improve that today. And I forgot to start the timer. How wonderful. Oh, 5%. That's 5 and 31. 531. 531. That's the best. And I have a typo here. It says PMP over here. I can fix that in next release. Yeah, so let's do that again. 5% personal best. 8:31. Okay, 31. Okay. What do I want? I want another round. Right. Multi-threaded FS, a direct consequence of not using messages. This makes the file system. $8.37. Okay. 8.37. Haha, we are filling our. It's the best is 5%, and maybe I could average. Maybe I can calculate the average too, and then average for like last week or something. Yeah, those are good ideas. So Space Max, okay. And that was projects. And what is this? Okay, so stopwatch. Where's the? Oh no! Oh no! I don't see here the thing. Okay, so it did not save, which means I have to equal where it is file. Yes, please. Here we go. So key, and we will do. Okay, this is done, and here we'll say turn off average error rate, and then I want also each error rate for last 7 days, for example, time. Yeah. Also, did it told me that the buffer is not active? Okay. It told me that I should reload it. So here I'm recording the file. Consider, okay, it did tell me that. Okay, oh, okay, so how do I here? Okay, I don't know how to do it in here, so I'll have a look. Is it a window? It might be a window actually. So if I do that, do I have W in here? I can do Control UI navigation, so maybe Shift N. No, I don't want that. Arrows, files, arrow numbers, project, with research, Windows, of course. Let's follow. So we can do this. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, but I want kill buffer and window. How can I kill just the buffer? Just the window. Shrink window. Oh, alternate window, layout table, split window, below split transient state, balance. Order frame. Space window. I don't have order frame. Okay, so space window. And there's more, so okay, space window, Control H, Control H, next. D, uppercase D. Here we go. It took only a few minutes to close the window. Okay, so what do we have here? So what is this? This is the project things. Yeah, I want to. Oh, damn it. This is not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Key training order. Yeah. Here. Okay, so we have this done. And log for programming workouts. I don't even know what I meant here. If I don't know what I meant, I don't need it. Average and the stopwatch. Kinda did already too. Okay. So yeah. And learning department. I don't want anything, I think. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, so we are learning Java. Well, not so much for past few minutes, but this is the topic. So we had some problem in here. Yeah, I didn't really understand this thing, right? So we have this interface operation, and it has an operate function, right? And so here we have the operation, and like that it works. We pass in a function. But if we have another and say what now? Now we have a problem. Okay, so when it's just one, he knows. Multiple non-overriding abstract methods found in interface. So if we have just one, we can use it. No problem. Okay. So see. Okay, so we can do test dot operate and one and addition. so. We probably want to print it out. So here, what would be the best way to do this, huh? Oh, come on. Here, and let's delete this guy. Yeah, that looks like that. Then I go here, over there, paste it. Okay, so this is the way, I guess. Yank paste. Okay, cool. Now I know. And is it engineer warp? Subtraction. Now I can run it, and hopefully that will work. If I run the correct file. It works. Cool, so what did we learn here? So first of all, this is about lambda expressions, right? So the input parameters can be can have types, or doesn't have to, as shown in here. And here we can, if we use the return statement, we need to have curlies. And also if we have only one input parameters, we don't have to have the parentheses at all, I believe. So absolute, and this will be, it will take A, and we will return that apps A, like so. What's the problem? Okay, I see. Can I do interface? Why am I doing this? Why is it mat operation? Operate int A. So, and then so how it will work, and we can do test operate. Yeah, I have to have this, which will be, and I will overload it. Operate and A and another operation, like so, and we will return. Oh, I forgot operation. Here we will say operation. Okay, cool. Operate minus 1, 2, 3. Absolute. And if I run it now, we'll get some result, and we get the right result. So that is cool. Hooray for Java 8. what do we have next? So we did this, and so we learned that it doesn't have to have the parentheses in here, and then about this interfaces. First of all, we were not able to put them inside of the method. IntelliJ told me that at language level 13 it's just not allowed. Okay. Then what was the confusing part in here for me? It was that I have to call it like operation operate, right? I have a private function. It takes the operation, and the operation has defined that. And I did not specify here anything. I didn't say this is the operate, right? But the Java is kind of smart, and if I have only one function defined in the interface, it will just guess which one is it, right? So if I have a int another function, we have a problem. See? Yeah. Okay, like so. Okay. Okay, so we did understood this, what they are saying here. He has the greetings with one greeting service. Okay, so maybe he did something funny in here. We have a message and it prints out that. Why did he define like this thing? Why did he, like always wrapping? Why is he open wrapping it inside of like some interface? Important points. define inline implementation of a functional interface. Functional interface. An interface with a single method only. Yeah, I mean, they are used here in this example, or they cannot be used otherwise. Yeah. Then we have defined the implementation of same message greeting. Yeah. The expression eliminates the need of an animals class and gives a very simple yet powerful functional programming capability to Java. Using lambda expression, you can refer to any final variable, or effectively final variable, which is assigned only once. The expression throws a completion error if a variable is assigned to scope example. Create the following Java program using an editor. Virtually. Okay. So this will be the scope example. Yeah, we'll create it in its own class. Scope static void main. Then here we will public static final. How did he call it? Public and public. Come on. You can do it. String. Okay. Then have the interface. Okay. Service, and that will have one void. Greet. It takes string message, like so. Okay, now we will call it. So first I want here create an instance of it, right? So this will be greeting service function, and our function will take message, and it will print out the salutation. Salutation class. massage. Okay. So we have created that, and now we can call it, which will be we have to create an instance right here, or function you. Yeah. That call expected, or it will be function. Or greet, yes. So this doesn't make sense. This name will be greeting service, yes. So you're right. Will it work? Wrong file. Hello. Okay, so it gets that. But let's say we have string salvation. That will be choose. Service. Yes. And this will be message. Yes. And we will print out another salutation plus message. And another gs.greet. This will work. Doesn't complain now. Okay, so this works, but let's see. Let's say that we want change it. Salutation. This salutation has change it. And now we have a problem. Variable used in lambda expression should be final or effectively final. And effectively final means that it doesn't change. Okay, so if I comment, I didn't want both of them just once, it kind of works. Okay. Hello, Migglers. The keyboard I'm using is called Gargoplex, and Gargoplex is here. Yank and here's the link for it. Yeah, it's okay-ish. Well, I like it. There we go. Oh, thank you for the follow. It's there. And I did modify it a little bit. And hello, Eccentric. Thank you for the follow. I did modify it, and you have to program it too. It is programmed in C, but don't worry about it. You basically are shuffling. You are shuffling constants around if you if you are not about to program some crazy macros. Maybe I have somewhere opened the, this was the QM firmware, yeah. And so we'll open it in a new window, and here is what it looks like. Docker files. I don't want the Docker files, and you go away. So this is how the configuration looks like. And what I like about this is that it allows chords, or even like, for example, this, right? So this is this key over here. It is a semicolon if you tap it, but if you hold it, it is a control. So if I do control and tap on it, well, that's let's show it in here, for example. Yeah, because I have a Vim key bindings in here, so that will be not. So come on, here we go. So here I am, and I press this key, and then I tap A. Everything selected. Yeah, so this is like some things you can do with it. And I also have like those three keys are enter for me. If I press them at the same time, it is enter. So I press those three keys, you see, like I do into insert, and look at that. It's enter. Yeah. It's a hobby. It's a hobby. And there's left like 4 minutes of Java exercise, of Java tutorial. Where was I? Yeah. So I was testing the scope, and if this is uncommented, it will say us it should be final or effectively final. The variable we are using inside of the scope of lambda expression. Cool story though. So we know that. We are a very wise person, Java professional now. Please hire me right now for a lot amount of money. Compile, okay. So we have like, what the hell? What happened? Dark. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. I'm sorry for your damage on the eye, on your eyes. You can sue me, but I don't have money, so good luck. So method references is something which I have no idea about. So package, and this is 05. That was method references, right? Method references. Here we go. References. Oh, come on. Here we go. Thank you so much. And what we want now, we want to read here what this is about. How to find the method by their names. Method reference is described using this symbol, colon. A method reference can be used to point the following types of methods: static methods, okay, the instance method, okay, constructors using new operator. Okay, I don't understand the last one. Reset new. What? Method reference example. Create following Java program using an editor of your choice. Yeah, okay. So what do? You have a system out println, okay, and that goes into for each. Okay, so I can recreate it, right? So we will have a new array list with a string type. Yes, please import it for me. Thank you so much. That will be okay, and then what's the matter in here? Expect that it's there. What you're talking about? Also, what the hell is happening here? Okay, cool. And viewers dot add and requires. That's one. Viewers dot add. Let's get centric viewers that add no panic. There we go. So we have that. Now he did do for each. Hold on, he did what the hell did he do? He did names for each? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Okay. First for each, okay, and we do system.out println, and this works. This you're saying to me that this works, huh? I did not run it. Okay, cool. Now I did run it, and it freaking works. Cool, and we are over the time limit, which means we are done, at least with this round. Done is better than perfect, and we can continue in the next round. So I'll stop the timer.